In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Vantage account. If you're expecting a big red delete button inside the app, here's the key thing to know. Vantage accounts aren't closed in-app. You have to submit an official closure request. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few tips to make sure it goes smoothly. First, prepare your account. Before any closure request can be processed, you need to close every open trade or position. Check carefully so nothing is left running, including any pending orders. Next, withdraw all remaining funds so your balance is brought down to zero. The platform requires a $0 balance to proceed, and if there's anything left in the account, your request can be rejected or delayed. Once you've confirmed there are no active positions and the balance is $0, you're ready for the request. Now open your browser and head to Vantage's official account closure request page on their website. Look for the account closure request form under the Contact Us section. On that form, enter your full name and the email address associated with your Vantage profile. Then provide your MT4 or MT5 account number and your UID. You'll also be asked for a short reason for closing. Keep your details consistent with what's on your account to avoid back and forth verification. Before submitting, tick the confirmation box that states you've closed all positions and withdrawn your funds. That checkbox is important. It tells the team your account is ready to be closed. Go ahead and submit the form. After that, Vantage will process your request and send a confirmation by email once the closure is done. If the form doesn't load or you can't submit it for any reason, there's an alternative. Email Vantage support from the same email address registered on your account and request a manual closure. They may ask you to verify your identity or confirm some details, and then they'll handle it for you. A few important notes as you wrap up. You can't instantly delete an account inside the app. Closure is handled by support and may take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on reviews and queue times. In some cases, the account may be placed into an inactive or archived state after the closure request. And remember, if any trades are still open or funds remain, the request will be rejected. Follow these steps and you'll have a smooth, reliable path to closing your Vantage account.